Why?
Hey.
Are you gonna eat a taco?
Yeah.
Really?
A little bit.
Really?
He was gonna eat that bite, and then he started filming, so you're gonna get a drink instead.
We're gonna film Chris eating a taco.
I'll eat it if you don't want it.
No. I'm gonna eat it. I'm full.
You're gonna eat it. I'm full.
I'm gonna eat it, but I'm full.
Yeah, I'm just, my cravings.
Are
Digesting.
those good? They're good. Fucking told you.
It's hard, but it's soft. It's a hard, soft taco.
I thought it was just a soft shell on top of a hard shell. Like, that's dumb. I should have been like, what the fuck? Why'd they put a soft shell taco on my hard shell? My taco machine would not make that kind of mistake. Somebody needs to look at their taco machine.
You guys, the taco machine's broke. It's making pizzas.
It's making taco
Put
pizzas.
it in reverse. Maybe it'll work good.
Then it would make like, I don't know, the ingredients. Tomatoes started shooting out. Like, grain and beans, like pepperoni. Started shooting out.
Oh man, that's the stuff.
It started like spewing out potatoes.
Potatoes is not the corn pizza.
Good tacos have that in it.
Potato pizza. Crunchy chicken. My crunchy for the best. That's Taco John's I do. Crunchy chicken and potato burrito. That is a very American taco. They put fried potato, like tater tots in tacos. Only in America.
I'm only America.
In America. The Mexicans go there and they're like, what?
Yeah, and we'll burn a bunch of oil
Mexicans
and
are like, man, they got
coal
this
to
wrong.
make it.
Their taco machines.
Pay way too much for it.
What do they do in their taco machines? There's potatoes in his taco. Oh my gut hurts laughing with your boobs bunched up in.
Oh yeah, get you some of that.
Spread it out. Can't see where's the money shot? The money shot. Oh my god.
Oh yeah, get in there.
I get a feeling this is going on YouTube.
Oh yeah, nice and deep.
Look at the sour cream.
Oh, the cream.
It's coming. It's coming. She's dying.
Wow. Is he done with that now?
No, I'm eating it.
Are you gonna eat that now that you did that?
Look. Yum, yum, yum.
It's like, oh god, you're not my boyfriend.
I don't see how you can eat that after all that.
Because this looks like meat, and I like meat.
He likes meat.
He likes meat, does it?
No, remember he has a vagina.
He's a man pussy.
Man pussy.
Oh my goodness.
It is pooper. It is pooper.
Oh man.
You know in Yaoi fanfiction they actually refer to
Did
it.
you not get enough?
They actually refer to it as the man pussy sometimes.
Yeah, they do. It's kind of gross.
That's
It's
weird.
really gross.
That's the worst proposal I've ever heard of. But you're cute.
Eyeball.
Hi. It looks kind of green if I lean my head.
Whoa. Whoa, you're contact kind of slid over in your eye. The white part of your eye was like really green.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, that happens.
It's like slides. That was hot.
I'm so out of character. Shit.
It's okay, you're IRL now.
I am. I'm not at the convention anymore. I don't have to be Kurama anymore. You could take off that wig then. Oh no. Then I would look like a 50s Cuban man.
That's what Yusuke's gonna look like now from now on.
I'm gonna tell Toshin Yusuke you said that.
Who is that?
It's a friend on Gaia. He cosplays Yusuke. Stop! Showing!
Like, I know what you're talking about when you say slicked back, but I always thought that when you said slicked back, it was like on their head, but his hair kind of looked like poofy.
Did it really? I didn't notice.
Is it not poofy?
No.
Really?
I'll show you my keychain or my phone charger.